A collision off Rifle Road in Kelowna is being investigated as a criminal crash potentially involving drugs or alcohol.
The police vehicle is southbound and the civilian vehicle is northbound. For no explainable reason, the civilian vehicle turned into the oncoming police vehicle, and we're looking at this as a criminal crash because we believe that either alcohol or drugs are involved.
Police officers have been investigating on scene since 11:30 in the morning.
Not a fatality, but obviously the impact is such that the rear axle has been pulled right off the back of the truck and the drivetrain has been pulled apart. So there's a pretty substantial impact that would have caused some whiplash type injuries. There's no logical reason why in the middle of a block a person would turn into you. The driver of the civilian vehicle was taken to the police station for an evaluation.
The female police officer was transported to hospital but has since been released. For Castanet News, I'm Alana Kelly in Kelowna.